the silence of your eyes I found the sea. But I was born of sand and memory. Each grain carried your scent of jasmine rain. Each step I take calls your name again.
Hold me inside the wind tonight. Let the stars be our candlelight. Your shadow dances in the flame, and my soul forgets its pain.
I wrote your name on the dunes of time, but the wind erased it line by line. Still my heart remembers every tone of your laughter carved in stone. You were my silence, my storm, my desert rose, my endless form. Even when the sky forgot the rain, your memory runs through my veins.
Hold me inside the wind tonight. Let the stars be our candlelight. Dance with the desert, feel the lost love will never be the same.
Between the palms and endless sand, I see your footprints fade by hand. A song remains, a gentle tune that hums beneath the silver moon.
Your days are light, your love is brightness.
Hold me inside the wind tonight. Let the stars be our candlelight. Dance with my soul beyond the flame. The desert whispers your name again. And when the dawn returns to the dunes, I'll still hear you in the echoes of love, in the echoes of the dunes.